Hello, you're welcome to the Math Classroom. This session is for Basic 6 or Class 6. If you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And give your comments in the comments section. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you. Aiko for this journey we have chalked so far. In our lesson today, we are looking at expanded form of numbers. If you've not watched my previous lesson on place value charts, you should do that because they are very important for this study. For one to expand a number, one will need to understand the place value of each digit in the number given. So we learned the place value of numbers up to 10,000 when you were in basic 4 and you extended to the millions in basic 5. And now we are in basic 6. So you realize that we have extended it to the billions. So we have the ones to the billions. And what did we say? We said for you to, the numbers are written in what? 3 what? Decades. So we know this is the ones period. So you have your ones period. So this gives us what? The thousands period. So we are in the thousands period. This will be what? Our millions, the millions. And now we've extended towards the billions. So if I know this, I know the place, which is very important, the place of a digit in a number and the place value of a digit in a number, which we did in our previous lesson. Then this becomes what? Easier to be able to expand a number. If I want to, so let's take an example. Let's say for example 1, if I want to expand this number, okay, so this is the number we would want to expand. It's very important, like I said, if you know the place and the place value of each of the digits, then it will be easier to expand the numbers. So let's look at it. Let's try putting it in the ones, thousands, and millions columns. So that if I do that, so 3 digits, so I know this is my ones, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you realize that this is what our ones. I'm in the ones column. This is what my thousands. Oh, and good. Yeah. Oh, I mean my words, millions. So from go, I could tell that this number is in the words millions words column. So let's try to find the place for each of the numbers. And to do that, you realize I have what? Ones, tens, hundred. This is what? Thousand. This is what? 10,000. This is 100,000. Then this is what? Million. So I have 1,000 here, 10,000 and 1,000 here. So knowing this, let's put it in our place value charts. Or even if you don't use the place value chart, you could still go by this. So I have 6, 8, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. So that if I want to find the place value for each of the numbers, let me do this. Let's do here. you realize that I have 5 times, it's in the millions. So how many zeros do we have left after 5? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, 6. Okay. So that if you multiply, you realize that you have what? 5 words. The place value is what? 5 million. 5 million. Let's take 1. We have 1 times 100. It's in the words 100,000 column. So I have 1 times 1. How many zeros after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3. So 100,000. And I have 1 of the 100,000. So I still have my words 100 words, 1,000. So this. Then if I take 3, what is the place value of 3? 3 is in the word 10,000. So I have 10 of the thousands. How did I know? Because if I take 3, how many zeros do you have there left? 1, 2, 3, 4. All goes to 0. So this is what I have. And this gives me words, 30 words, 1,000. We do the same thing for the rest. So let's take our next digit. What is the next digit? The next digit is what? 2. So if I pick 2, 2 is in what? 1,000. So 2 times what? 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So 1,000. And that gives me what? 2,000. Then let's pick what? 8. What is 8? 8 is what? Or the next value is what? 4. Digits is 4. So 4 times 4 is in the 100 column. So if you pick 4, the rest of the values left go towards 0. So you have 1, 2. So I have 100. So I have what? 400. Then I have what? 6. 6 ones. So it is just what? 1, which is equal to what? 6. Very good. So with this, you realize that if I know the place value for each of the numbers, it becomes what? Easier to work with. So then I can finally say that the expanded form for 5,132,486 is going to be equal to 5 million plus, what do you have? 100,000. That is what we have there. Plus the next one is what? 30,000 plus what? 2,000 plus, so plus 4,000 plus what? 6. Good. So we have been able to expand this word's number. We have been able to expand what? This word's number. Let's take another example. So we take another example and let's see how it goes. So let's take, for example 2, we have 4, 5, 4, 6, 2, 3, 8, 7. We want to expand this. We said the easiest way is what? To find the place and what? The place value to use. So let's check. This is what? 1, 3. So I know I have my ones. This is what? You are in thousands. Then, so you have this. So, okay. So then this becomes what? Millions. So let's look at it. So you have ones, tens, hundred, you have what? Thousand. This is what? 10,000. This is what? Hundred what? Thousand. Millions. Then you have what? 10 what? Millions. So already we know we are what? In the 10 millions. So if you want to expand, the other easiest way and the short way is to have what? I have 4. 4 is in what? 10 what? Millions. So I count the zeros left after I write 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have this. I have 3, so 40 words millions, because 4 times 10 is going to give you what? 40 millions, plus 5. How many zeros times what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is what? In the 5 millions, plus 4. It's 100,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you realize that you are in the 400,000s, plus 6 words times what? 10,000, which is what? 60,000, plus what? 2,000, plus my next digit is what? The place value is there is what? 300. 300 plus 8 tens, which is 80, plus 7 ones, which is what? 7. So the expanded form for this number is equal to what? This. If you are able to do this, then it's also always become what? Easier to write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. Let's take another example. Let's say example words 3. For example 3, let's say we have 5, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 8, 6. Then we have what? 2. Okay, so let's find the place value for age. So what do I have? You have what? Ones. This is tens, 100. This is what? 1,000. Then I have what? 10,000, 100,000, million. This is what? 10 million. And this is what? 100 words million. So we know where we are. The value, the place value we are looking at. So let's expand this. If we decide to expand, we are in 500 million. So 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do I have? So you realize I'm in what? 500 million plus 3 times what? 10 million. So that will be what? 30 millions. How many zeros do I have? 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Plus 4 million plus, what is this? 700,000. So you have 700,000 plus 60 10. So 60, 6 10 is 60,000 plus what? 5,000 plus 800 plus your 6 tens, which is 60, plus what? 2 plus 2. Okay, so why don't you pause the video and try to expand these numbers, and after, kindly write your expanded form in the comment section. So I have 63015204335. Then let me add 1. So this one is giving us 795886624. So you pause your video and expand this, after which you write your results in the comment section. So till our next lesson, kindly stay safe and thank you. Bye.